What did you do when you heard the news?
I cried when I heard the news.
How do you help in your house?
I help by cooking meals.
Did you have a pet when small?
Yes, I had turtle when was small.
Can you show me to the post office?
Sure, I can take you there.
Have you ever got a prize?
Yes, I won a prize in a quiz.
Are you learning another language?
Yes, I am studying French.
Why learning another language is good?
You can communicate with more people.
What kind of plants do you grow?
I grow tomatoes and basil in my garden.
What do you wear in the summer?
In the summer I wear shorts and t-shirt.
What's your favorite memory from your travels?
Seeing the sunrise from the top of a mountain.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching comedies.
Do you have a favorite actor or actress?
Yes, my favorite actress he is Emma Watson.
What's your favorite flower?
Rose because it smells nice and looks beautiful.
Why are you here?
I am waiting my dad.
What does she do?
She is a housewife.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
When did you watch Up film last?
I saw a movie last Friday.
Why was there a meeting yesterday?
It was a regular weekly meeting.
Who did you call recently?
I called my doctor.
Can you suggest how do you learn English better?
Of course, write in English regularly.
Did you take any pictures today?
No, I forgot my camera.
What was your first work?
I worked at a fast food restaurant.
What's a cool fact you know?
Honey never spoils.
Can you talk in more than all languages?
Yes, I can speak English and Chinese.
Who are you living with?
I am leaving with my sibling.
Who made the movie?
The movie was made by a famous director.
Can you think of life on another planet?
Yes, the universe is too big for us to be alone.
Did you meet someone interesting lately?
Yes, or traveler from abroad.
What weather do you love?
I like it when it's snowing.
What made you recently?
Meeting a friend hadn't seen in a while.